Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone needing to repair their DJI Mavic Air drone. The genuine core motherboard UAV mainboard replacement from Garrett, specifically model Garrett 000. When a drone's mainboard fails, it can feel like the end, but having a reliable replacement option is key to getting back in the air. This particular replacement part is described as a genuine core motherboard, designed specifically for the Mavic Air. One of the standout claims is its long service life, suggesting it's built to last, which is exactly what you want from the heart of your drone. The description emphasizes that it's made from high-quality materials. This is vital because the motherboard handles all the complex processing, flight control, and communication within the drone. Using inferior materials could compromise performance and reliability, so the focus on quality here is reassuring. The physical attributes are also highlighted. The part is described as small and light, with dimensions listed as approximately 3 inches long, 2 inches wide, and 1 inch high. This compact size is essential for a drone component where every gram and millimeter counts. Being small and light also makes it easy to carry, which is convenient if you're transporting spare parts or taking your drone in for repair. Installation and assembly are often concerns with intricate drone components, but the description states this motherboard is easy to install and easy to assemble. It's designed as a direct replacement for the original damaged or old one. This means you should be able to swap out the faulty board without needing complex modifications or adapters, simplifying the repair process significantly. The ease of use extends beyond just the physical installation. Once installed, it's expected to function seamlessly as the core of the drone's operations. Professional manufacturing is another point mentioned, which implies attention to detail and adherence to standards during production. Coupled with the high-quality design, this suggests the part isn't just a functional replacement, but one that meets certain performance expectations. The guaranteed quality and promise of long-lasting use further reinforce the idea that this is intended to be a durable and reliable repair solution. For anyone facing a non-functional Mavic Air due to a motherboard issue, finding a genuine and reliable replacement is paramount. The Garrett 000 mainboard aims to fill that need by offering a part that is not only a direct fit, but also built with quality and longevity in mind. The ease of installation means that for those comfortable with drone repair, it could be a manageable task. And for those using a professional service, it ensures the repair can be completed efficiently with a quality part. Ultimately, the goal is to restore the drone's full functionality, allowing pilots to get back to flying and capturing aerial footage without the frustration of a grounded aircraft. This replacement motherboard appears to offer the necessary attributes: quality materials, professional build, and ease of use to make that possible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.